this is the second part of building back the bumpers for the Veloster N's. They're already painted, so I'm gonna be showing you how they're gonna be looking. So I'm just gonna put them back together. Alright guys, so we already put this, but I'm missing one clip over here. Well, I'm missing two clips in both sides, and plus I'm missing this bar that goes right there. It got way too many stuff, so I need to buy one more of this. I need to buy these corners, but in the meantime I'm gonna continue with the rest, so it's gonna be halfway done. That's how the bumper is gonna be looking, the white one too. But we're missing a couple more stuff like this over here, and we're missing a couple vents, which I didn't know I need to get them. So I'm gonna stop over here with this one, and then I'm gonna be continuing as soon as I get the other parts. Alright guys, so I got the pieces, the ones that I'm missing over here, so I can finish this bumper for the Veloster N black. So I'm gonna be putting them, and then I'm gonna show you how it looks. That's how it looks. Let me close over here. The only thing that I'm missing is the side corners by the tires, and that's it for this car. Now we're gonna be working in the back. We're gonna be putting the rear bumper, but I need to put it together back again, so I'm only missing a couple more parts. I forgot to show you guys how it looks now. Over here was broken, so they fixed it, and everything got painted. This is how it looks right now. Now the only thing that I'm missing is do this. Right now I'm working on the side skirt. I already remove it because I need to fix it. I'm gonna try to fix it. But these clips, if something happens to you like this, let me show you how to remove them. Instead of fighting them, going back and forward, just turn them sideways and they will come out. You see, because it gets clipped like this. So when you turn them sideways, they come out. Easy. So now I'm gonna be trying to see if I can fix this. This is how it goes in the bottom. It looks like this. So I'm gonna try to see if I can fix it. If not, I'm gonna have to buy a new one. Another thing is that this red stripe, it comes out. It's like a clip-on. So let me see what I can do, and then I'll let you guys know. All right, back with the side skirts. I'm gonna try to fix them because they're too pricey. They cost almost like $400 and it's not even painted. So I'm gonna try my best to fix this one. I'm trying my best. It's not the best quality, but at least hopefully it works. Now it's time to see if it works. Hopefully it does. If not, I'm gonna have to buy a new one. So 3 come out. while this is staying up, um, for the price I'm gonna sell it, the next person can fix it if they want. I try my best, and then in this corner it goes double side tape. That's where you see it right there. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Like, share, and subscribe.